Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Tonight is a night for tricks, treats, and bold lines. We're turning Pennywise into a retro cartoon, and his little red balloon looks like it's in trouble. Grab your drawing tools and your yellow raincoat. Let's get spooky and creative. Pennywise is one of the most iconic horror figures reimagined in pop culture, and reworking him into a retro cartoon is a playful twist on a classic menace. I want to know, who should be next in our spooky season? Tell me in the comments, name the character, and a few words about the vibe you want. Quick tip, pause the video whenever you need and take a screenshot of any tricky frame so you can use it as a reference later. And tell me in the comments, if you could turn any villain into a chibi for Halloween, who would it be? If this retro Pennywise gave you a little smile or a tiny shiver, leave a like. It really helps the channel. Subscribe for more spooky stylizations and hit the bell so you don't miss the next monster makeover. Share this video with a friend who loves creepy cute art. Let's spread the Halloween fun and inspire more fans to draw. And here it is, our retro Pennywise. A little bit cute, a little bit eerie, and ready for the party. Thank you so much for drawing along. Until the next video, stay curious and keep sketching.